Hi, I'm Susan Beck with Cooking Made Simple. Today I'm going to begin a series of videos that will take you through some different recipes that you could try instead of buying the purchased version at your local grocery store. So today, instead of buying whipped topping in the freezer section of your store, my grandson and I are going to make whipped topping from scratch. So I have hiding back here my grandson, who's ready to cook. Now, he comes to visit me every now and then, and when he does, he comes running in the door, and he always says, "Grandma, what are we going to cook today?" And I love it when he comes over and does that. It's always a lot of fun. So I've already made a pumpkin pie, and today he is going to help make the whipped topping to go on top of that pie. So we are going to make this with two ingredients. We are going to make it with our heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of that, and 2 teaspoons of our granulated sugar. Now you might think, why would I mess around with all this and have dishes to do at the end when I could simply buy it at the store? Well, it's all about the ingredients. I have 2 pure ingredients that we're going to put into our whipped topping, and my grandson here is going to tell us all the things that come in the purchase stuff. Do your best to read those.
Sodium caseinate, high fructose corn syrup, sorbitan monostearate, polysorbate, coconut oil, guar gum, vegetable oil, xanthan gum.
So, do you know what any of these are?
No.
No. We've probably heard of some of these oils, but I don't
some.
think this is our bubble gum that we chew, is it?
No.
No. So we've got a lot of crazy ingredients that really aren't very good for us. So instead, we're going to use our mixer with our whipping attachment. And into here, you may pour the whipping cream. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons, the big ones, of sugar. Excellent. We'll just raise this up and whip it on high. What do you think? And that'll take about 5 minutes to come to stiff peaks. What do you think? Is it getting to be pretty stiff and getting some peaks in there?
Yeah.
I think it might be done. So we're going to lower this down. We'll show our viewers on YouTube. When I pull this out, it sticks right to the beater. Nice and thick in there. Now, if you don't have a mixer like this at home with a fancy whipping attachment, a little hand mixer works just fine. Only difference is the whole 5 minutes that you're mixing, you'll have to stand here and hold on to it. Where we were able to kind of talk and do other things, weren't we? All right, you ready to give it a taste?
Sure.
All right, here's a spoon for you. What do you think?
That's good.
I think so too.
Mm-hmm.
Is it time to have some pumpkin pie?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you call everybody to the dinner table?
Dinner's ready.